What's up, guys? It's your boy Kyler Twiz. Look what I have. I already started opening, but then I just made an idea of just making a YouTube about it, so let's get right into it. Oh yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel too. Got more bangers for you guys. So I'm just gonna go get the scissors so I can cut this open. So I'm back, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I just fell.
How was that funny? I don't get that.
Sorry about that, guy. Don't laugh at that. Anyway, let me just take this off. Because I got this from Walmart. It costs $12.99.
No, it says right there. You got it from Marshall.
Where?
Right there.
I got this from Walmart.
The store. Every toy, it's always the store where you got it from. And that's from Marshall. It's cool.
See, guys?
Marshall's got the same type of toys.
First, let's do his neck. Now let's do his hands. So
That's the toy, guys.
This is Mr. Incredible.
Super Dad Incredible.
I have the shirt and the mask. I'm going to get the mask.
That's why I said you gotta do it from the back. Everything that you need to cut, hold on, is right here.
Hi, I'm Mr. Incredible. I am here to save the day. Ooh. So, anything you guys need, just tell me, and if you want me to save the day and save your life, subscribe to Kyler Twiz channel and like this video. Comment down below what you think of this and post notifications, and that's it. And I will save your day, and I will make your day great. Do you hear me, guys? Thank you. Let's get a round of applause. So, guys, you heard what Mr. Incredible said. Subscribe, comment below, like this video, post on notification, and he will save your day, make it great. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Really is a knife. This ain't cutting good, right?
Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna see you later. I'm not gonna end the video, but I'm just gonna lay down. So Mr. Incredible is laying down.
I'm trying to just cut the whole circuit out. That's not strong enough. You might be cutting your mask. That's what I'm saying. Don't put it too deep. Yup.
Where? Where I cut it? Yeah, so guys, I got this shirt. It's too little for me, but I'm still gonna try to put it on.
You're the same size. You never grow. That's not too little. Hold on, give me a second. Go front or back.
Guys, I'm gonna try to put this on. Can you patch this up for me? Yeah, this thing is too little. Look at that.
That's because you're fat. You're the same size, you're just fat.
No. Look, even if I set my stomach in.
Oh, exactly.
Guys, I'm too little for this. So I will not be wearing it. If a little
Give it
kid.
to Isaiah.
So if a little kid is like, or I might just give it to my brother. But if you subscribe to my channel,
You have a chance to win it.
yep. You gotta comment down below. Incredible 3.
Is that two? Incredibles 2.
There's an Incredibles 3.
I know, but it didn't. It's not in movies yet. But you know you can fit this mask.
Hey guys, I'm finna just put on a mask. So this is how I look. And that's Mr. Incredible.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Incredible, and I heard you kids out there are in need of saving. So, I'll save you, but only you have to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and also go follow my channel at Draco, DRACO, and then no spaces, RAPS, Draco Raps. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Hello guys, I think I want to make a rap video. Let me see something, guys. Real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I could have got the Mysterio mask. I could have got that, but I wanted this instead.
Boy, no, you do not play with no freaking Incredibles. No, you do not like even no Incredibles. No, you like that Mysterio's mask. Knowing that you can fit this. Aw,
Look at mess. Anyway. Nah.
Hey guys, Mr. Incredible for real.
Well, I'm gonna get my sister in here so she could take a look. said it looks great. But she said she's not coming in. Anyway, I'm gonna rap today. I'm gonna do 2 uploads. I'm gonna be posting more toys opening up. Yeah. Peace out.
How you looking? How you looking? Tripping, Becky?